Hey there, it's Steve. Hope you're just having an awesome day. And, whether you're in the Bahamas or the Keys or wherever, it's Margaritaville time. This is Jimmy Buffett, Margaritaville in under 3 minutes, which means I don't got time to waste. This one's really simple though. It may just be 3 chords. Is it 3? Let's check it out. So we begin here with no capo, and I'm gonna play a D major. Nibbling on sponge cake. Watching the sun bake, you just hang it on D, and this is the kind of rhythm and strumming you want to get. Ready? So low to the high part, not even moving my finger, left hand. And then all of those tourists covered with A major. A lot of tourists get covered with A major. Stay on A, strumming my 6th string, which is what we got right here, on my front porch swing. Still on A, and all the, shrimp beginning to boil on D. Then it does it again. Well, I don't know if it does another verse, but then the chords, the chorus goes G, waist in, that's G major, waist in and A major, again in Margaritaville, D major. G major, searching A major for my lost shaker of D major. G major, some people A major, that there's a D major, A major, G, but I A major. It's my own fault, and D major. Now when it goes dun 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 dun, that part, it goes D, A major, dun, 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 D, like that. And that's pretty much it. The whole song just repeats over and over again, so you got, the verses just hang out on D for a while, go to A, but there's booze in the blender, and still of a render, flows in concoction, helps me hang D major. And then G major, waist in, and A major again in Margaritaville, D major. Does that a couple times, then it goes G major. Some people may claim A major, that there's a D, A, G, but I know A major, it's my own fault. D major, G, A, D. So that's the basics of Margaritaville by Jimmy Buffett. Classic song, really easy going. And let me know what other Buffett songs you want to hear in the comments. Drop them there and hit the like button on your way out. Subscribe if this is good, and I'll see you around for more 3-minute guitar lessons. See ya.